Hello everyone, and today let's talk about the coaxial cable's breathing knowledge. Well, everyone knows the breathing wire is more. The breathing wire is more, so it will look more better and signal attenuation will be more better. But let's talk about these two cable. You can see, if you put these two wires together, you can see obviously a big difference. Actually, this one is a 112 breathing wire. Well, this one is 128 breathing wire. But personally, I prefer this one. Why? Because you can so easy, you can compare. This breathing wire, the interceptor, is very densely and very tightly. While this breathing wire, the intercept is not so densely. You can see. So I think in the market, every customer prefer this one. So when you order with just a surprise, you must remind them the interceptor of the breathing. Although these two wires, the breathing capture looks the same, both like the 19%, but this one is more better. Okay, thank you for your watching. If you have any problem, we can keep it contacted by email. Thanks.